Okay. You can see it's a Singer 358. Yeah. This is a goofy machine in that I had trouble finding references to it. And it's one that I'm doing for work, and when I went in there, they were also didn't remember it off the top of their head, but as you can see, it looks like a lot of Singers of the era. This one was made in Italy. I've seen references to it being sold in Great Britain, but the tension knob is off because it's got the plastic tension cup, which had the broken piece in it. That center piece was broken there, so it wouldn't lift. That's been replaced. It's got a full set of gears done underneath. The feed gears, which I just did on a Stylist 833, but we need to wind a bobbin for the stitch test. And then once the bobbin is wound and the stitch test is complete, that's when I'll just slip the tension dial on, and whatever my stitch test is that looks nice, I'll just slip the dial on at 5. So, class 66 bobbin goes on the winder. It's got a clutch nut in the hand wheel, which I've moved stuff around and can't get to that end of the bench real quick. So the hand wheel, we bring our thread out and around our winder button. Pop it in, and then we wound the bobbin on the 353. Now we'll thread the machine. Very common thread guide design on the front here. It's got classic tensioner here. Pop up around the finger. Go back through this thread guide. It does have the easy thread take-up arm here, so you just have to loop around, and then 2 thread rests on the front of the machine, thread guide on the needle bar, thread guide on the clamp, and threads from front to back. It's got the drop-in Apollo case here, drop so that our thread is unspooling counterclockwise, slip it around the hook, and then pull it up across.